The RPA Workshop is where the RPA providers and process owners come together to discuss the selected RPA processes. This meeting can take anywhere from 2 hours to a couple of days. During this meeting, the process owners will walk through step by step the current manual processes, creating what's known as the Process Definition Document, also known as the PDD, or the Standard Operation Process, SOP. This document should go beyond the level of detail normally provided to a human and specify exactly how the process is to be carried out. In a perfect world, the PDD should enable a novice with no prior knowledge of the business process to work the cases correctly. During the walkthrough, the RPA architect, business analyst, RPA developer, and project manager will ask questions to better understand the process and uncover any limitation or hurdles of the process. Typical questions asked during this meeting include, but not limited to, the workload of the bots, the resource and requirements, the service level agreements, the operating hours, alerting and reporting, the data management, exception and forwarding, the management information and other reportings, data preservation, and business continuity. Typically, sample cases are worked by following precisely the flow and rules that are defined in the PDD. This will expose any missing scopes, ambiguity, and incorrect flow. Once the PDD is created and signed off by the process owners, the RPA developer will use this as a guide to creating the Solution Design Document, also known as the SDD. The purpose of the Solution Designer document is to describe how the automation tool will automate the processes described in the PDD. The Solution Design document is intended to convey to the business the sufficient details of the automation process in order for them to understand and ultimately approve of the proposed solution. It is critical that the SDD does not go into low-level details of how the automation tool performs the process, as this will likely cloud the client's ability to sign off on a design with confidence. The Solution Design document typically includes a description of the overview of the end-to-end solution, the process models, operational controls and alerting, data security and credentials, the business and technical assumptions, and the in-scope exceptions. The next step of the RPA lifecycle is the build or configuration phase. It is usually best practice to have a code review before configuring a bot, as well as during the middle to the end of configuration. This code review will help ensure a good future state design. Also, in this phase, the business analyst or SME and the tester or the developer work together to prove that the solution conforms to the PDD. The business scenarios are created by the SME that validate the various process paths. Inevitably, there will be defects, and it is the developer's responsibility to fix those defects and retest once resolved. Once all acceptance criteria has been met, a full test report of all defects and their resolutions will be published to the client operation team for sign-off. Next, the code will be deployed into the production environment, and there will usually be a 30-day hypercare phase to stabilize the bot. Finally, after the bot has been stabilized and the client is confident with the bot's performance, the developer will work with the maintenance team to transfer knowledge for maintaining the bot. During this meeting, the developer should provide a walkthrough of the code and any documentation needed to maintain the bot. And that summarizes the RPA workshop. Thanks for watching.